Today I want to harvest. Today is the end of the March. Look, lots of vegetables. Every day I have fresh organic vegetables to harvest. These are rainbow Swiss chard. Have a variety of colors here. You can see, very nice, smells good. Now this is the beets. Beets I want to harvest greens so the bottom beet can get bigger. You can see the beet stems is different than the rainbow Swiss chard. The color is different. It's kind of dark purple. These are beet green. I want to harvest more so they can do even better. So next year.
Good.
Okay.
So next what?
Next thing I want to harvest is kohlrabi green. Very tender, the leaves. Okay. Look at the purple kohlrabi. The leaves huge. You need to cut some leaves so the kohlrabi can get bigger. Next thing I want to harvest is tissue. They're getting big now. The edge of the pea, I just let them grow and climb a little bit, like peas. Pea shoot, the more you cut, the more it will grow. I should cut this few days earlier, but it's okay. They are still pretty tender. You can see I have lots of greens to eat. This is a kohlrabi, and this is a beet green. Oh no, this is a Swiss cherry. This is beet green. Beet green is the purple color. This is beet green. This is Swiss chard. Swiss chard has a red, orange. Beet green, you can see different color. This is a kohlrabi plants. And this is the pea shoots. Next thing I want to cut some is 菊花老. Don't you know this? I need to harvest this one because if I don't harvest, look this one, it's going to produce the flower make seeds. So I want to harvest so it can produce more tender leaves to eat. This one, the more you harvest, the more they produce more tender leaves. A lot. Even you harvest like that, it's still a lot. So this one, I just don't want it to make seeds right now, so I'm gonna just cut it off. Too early to flower make seeds. This one making flowers. Hey. This one has some weakness. Yay! See, this is 菊花老. It's a lot actually. Okay, next I want to harvest is my Chinese asparagus lettuce. Harvest from outer layers. If you find the leaves a little too old, then I give to my ducks. Then you eat the tender part. Oops. So tender that fall apart. This one old. Here, Taki. So this is my Chinese asparagus lettuce green. You can eat stems later on, but I eat the green to keep stems grow thicker and bigger and taller. Now I want to harvest some fennel because fennel grows so fast. That's a fennel. Smells so good. Chulu, come here, okay? We can eat some. Oh, next thing I want to harvest is crown daisy. Daisy. Okay, the more you harvest tender tops, the more it will grow tender tops. If you don't harvest them, it will flower and grow seeds. Too early for them to grow seeds. Then they will be focused on seeding to grow seeds, not produce crops. See, like this one is flowering, but this one, since it's flowering, I will let this one grow. But on the side branches, I will cut to eat. There's some more corn daisy here, and I want to harvest. See, there's a flower already. I could not get a chance to harvest. There's two, so I let them make seeds. But this one I want to harvest. This one grown seeds, soon grown seeds. Don't feel bad to harvest. The more you harvest, the more they grow. Since this one going to have seeds, flower, so I just let them flower. The rest I harvest, continue harvest for more production. This one produces yellow flower, very pretty. Actually attract bees to come to your yard, so it's a good idea to harvest. This one is a baby arugula. Baby, you want to have some baby arugula for salad today?
Sure.
So we can harvest some. I'm going to just harvest like this, so it can do some more. I want to harvest from my outer, but so strong, smells so good. But take too long. Smell. Oh, dang, yeah. I want to harvest some spinach, since arugula spinach goes for salad. And one more thing I want to harvest is chives. Couple onion, so before they getting too big. Too big, then they don't look too good. So should try to harvest some often, so they grow fresh green onion, standard corn. See, they're beginning. Okay, look. That's what I harvested today, end of the March 2025. There are still lots of fresh vegetables in the garden. I need to harvest them every day so they don't grow too old. I need to make time to come to the garden to harvest. So I have harvested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I harvested 11 different types of vegetables today. They are beautiful, all fresh.